One of the best ways to ensure a generator remains in tip-top operating condition is to protect it with a cover that will shield it from weather that can shorten its life, like rain and snow. There are many products available to choose weatherproof generator cover, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best weatherproof generator cover from reputable brands. After much research, found these products much subsidiary for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Leader Accessories Durable Universal Generator Cover. With its multiple size options and durable construction, this generator cover from Leader Accessories suits a variety of different generator brands. The 4 size options for this cover range from 31 inches long by 29 inches wide by 28 inches high, up to 38 inches long by 28 inches wide by 30 inches high. The cover has a box shape and extends all the way to the ground, providing complete coverage. This cover cannot be used while the generator is in operation. It consists of 600 denier fabric with a waterproof PVC coating on the interior. Vents allow air to circulate under the cover, preventing condensation that can cause rust and corrosion. A strap that runs around the hem of the skirt holds the cover securely in place, while a plastic buckle makes it easy to remove the cover when it's time to fire up the generator. Product specs, sizes. 4. Material. Polyester fabric with PVC coating. Type. Storage. Pros. Hem and buckle hold cover, in place in extreme weather conditions. 4 size options make this cover compatible with variety of generators. Heavy PVC coated fabric protects from rain and UV rays. Cons. Not usable while generator is in use. Number 2. Himal, weather UV resistant generator cover. Since a generator itself is such an investment, it's good to know a cover to protect it doesn't have to be as well. This affordable generator cover consists of durable 600 denier polyester with a PVC coating that makes it completely waterproof. Its box shape, which comes in 3 different size options that range from 25 inches long by 24 inches wide to 38 inches long by 28 inches wide, conforms to the generator for a secure fit. With sides that extend all the way to the ground, this cover provides full coverage from sun, wind, snow, and rain. An elastic cord around the bottom hem of the cover ensures the cover won't get blown off by high winds. This storage cover must be removed when operating the generator. Product specs. Sizes. 3. Material. Polyester fabric with PVC coating. Type. Storage. Pros. Elastic cord on the hem keeps cover in place in harsh weather conditions. More affordably priced than other generator covers of similar quality. Suits a variety of portable generators with its multiple size options. Cons. Thinner fabric may not hold up as long as thicker generator covers. Number 3. Porch Shield Waterproof Universal Generator Cover. This cover uses 600 denier fabric with a waterproof underlayment to protect portable generators kept outdoors. The box-shaped cover, available in several different sizes, conforms to the generator with sides that run all the way to the ground, providing comprehensive protection. An elastic hem and plastic buckles hold the cover securely in place even during high winds. A flap held in place with Velcro on the sides flips up to give the user access to the generator handle, allowing the operator to move it without having to remove the cover. With 4 color options black, light tan, khaki, and gray, it's easy to coordinate the cover with the exterior of the home. This cover is only to be used for storage. Product specs. Sizes. 5. Material. Polyester fabric with PVC coating. Type. Storage. Pros. Elastic hem and buckles keep cover securely in place in windy conditions. Comes in 4 color options that make it easy to match outdoor furniture. Flaps allow user to access generator handle without having to remove cover. Cons. Uses thinner material that may not stand up as long as other covers. Number 4. Igan Ultra Heavy Duty Generator Tent Running Cover. The cover, which measures 33 inches long by 25.5 inches wide by 18.5 inches tall, is compatible with most 3,500 watt to 12,000 watt portable generators with square frames. This generator cover features an innovative design that eliminates the need to install and uninstall it. This includes a skirt that drops down on the sides to provide protection, while the generator is in storage and retracts to allow for ventilation while running. The cover's top opens, allowing for access to the generator's controls and fuel tank. For those looking to coordinate the cover with their outdoor living space, this model comes in gray or black. Product specs. Sizes. 1. Material. Thick tarpaulin with metal poles. Type. Operational and storage. Pros. Sturdy design can withstand extreme weather and high winds. Functions as both an operational cover as well as a storage cover. Top opens for easy access to controls while generator is running. Cons. Significantly more expensive than other operational and storage RV cover options. Number 5. GenTent 10K Generator Tent Running Cover. Though this generator cover is an investment, its innovative design and durability make it one of the best options for providing comprehensive protection for a generator while in use or storage. This running cover, which works with open-frame generators, consists of flame-retardant heavy-duty marine-grade vinyl. A sturdy steel pole attaches to the generator's frame via a set of clamps, making this cover strong enough to resist winds up to 70 miles per hour, or snow piled as high as 18 inches. Vents on the top of the cover along with the retractable skirt allow for plenty of ventilation while the generator is running or max protection when it's dormant. The cover opens at the top, giving the operator full access to the generator's controls and gas tank. At 36 inches long by 24 inches wide, the GenTent 10K fits most portable generators ranging from 3,000 to 10,000 watts. Product specs. Sizes. 1. Material. Flame retardant marine grade vinyl. Type. Operational. Pros. Can withstand high winds thanks to steel pole frame. Retractable top allows for easy access to generator controls. Removable skirt allows for max ventilation while generator is running. Marine-grade vinyl material can withstand extreme weather conditions. Cons. High-end construction materials of this cover come at a steep price. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.